Hello, my name is Rick Hansen. Our company is called Rain King Construction Company, and we've been in business here in the Dallas area since the early 90s. We are specialists in roofing, rain gutters, drainage, and we also do outdoor living areas, patios, and gazebos. A couple things I'd like to touch on. In the roofing business, there are a lot of, I don't know if fly-by-night is the right word, but there's a lot of transient contractors that will come in and try to service the work that is produced when there's a hailstorm. And we are a local company. We stay here in the Dallas area, and this is where we do our work. So we have insurance. We're excellent at doing repairs if a leak should come up. Anyway, check us out. Check our website out. Our number is 214-502-3788, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye.